Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to askNK. Today we have some exciting news, exciting updates for you guys. So the folks at Revolution, they are organizing a very cool competition that would allow you win some awesome and beautiful prizes. Now for those who like to join this, I'm going to put a link in the description that will bring you right here where you can take part and also be one of the amazing winners. So the contest itself is going to be starting from now till the 30th of September. And it is known as the Lip Sync Animation Contest for 2021. So tons of prizes to be won, and in total these prizes are valued at $40,000, and you can see awesome and beautiful sponsors that are backing this competition. So folks from Replica, Epic Games, Nvidia, ZBrush, Marvelous Designer, FX Home, Boris FX, Notium, Rococo, and also Razer. So for those who like to join this one, this is huge. What you're expected to do as an artist is to simply take a look at several categories that they've listed out here and do some amazing 30 seconds animation that showcases lip sync, facial animation, and also great character performance. Now these entries are set to be within 9 categories, and you can simply select from these 9 and submit them. Now this actually gets even more interesting when you go over to the award and the prizes and see some amazing awards that you will be able to win for yourself. So there's a first position, second position, and also third position within the best character animation category, and at the same time there's a first, second, and third position within the best character design category. And within this section there is also some amazing special prizes to be won, so you can choose to remake a movie line, a quote or scene from a movie, or you can take a look at the music video and also create an amazing performance. And for those who like to work with Blender, MetaHuman, Replica Studio Voices also stand a chance of winning something, as the best performances from these categories also have something to take home. Now within the costume and digital double section, there's also some very cool prizes to be won, and you can also stand the chance of winning some sponsor prizes. So the folks at Replica, Epic Games, Nvidia, Razer, ZBrush, Marvelous Designer, Notium, and also Rococo are giving out some very amazing prizes that will save you so much money and actually put you in that section where you can level up your skill. And did I also mention that you stand the chance of winning an Nvidia RTX 3070, which is one of the coolest things that you can get right now, especially within this time where getting a graphic card is extremely hard. So tons of cool prizes to be won. But the folks at Revolution are not just telling you what to do, they're also offering you some very free resources that can get you up to speed. So if you're looking for free resources, you can simply go over to the free resources section and you can see the resources that can get you started. So the folks at Revolution are actually offering you 30 days fully licensed softwares, which include the Icon 7 Character Creator 3. You'd also stand the chance of working with the 3D animation pipeline tool, the animation with live link to Unreal Engine, and at the same time, if you like to extend your free trial period, you can write them an email to extend that. And for those who like to own the tools right now, you can simply own the tools for 50% off. Links to this is also going to be in the description so that you can do well to check it out. Meanwhile, there are free content and also exclusive test samples that you can work with, and this comes with both characters, clothes, accessories, hair, and also head idle animation. And for those who like to test these things, you want to use them, there's going to be a link in the description as well that will bring you over to this page where you can download these and use it for test, practice with it, and prepare for the contest. And yes, I do know a lot of you guys might be asking, how do I even get into this? You know, I would like to join, but I have no skill. I don't know how to get started with this. Don't worry, the folks at Revolution have also created some very cool learning resources that you can pick from. So there is one for the MetaHuman, just in case you would like to work alongside the MetaHuman. Maybe you would like to work with Blender, and this is actually one of the videos that we've scheduled for the channel, which you might probably see sometime soon. Or maybe you're also thinking about how the Replica tool actually ties within the Revolution ecosystem. This one is also here, and you will definitely find tons of resources that can get you from point A to point Z in a heartbeat. And for those who are excited about this one as well, maybe you would like to check it out, I'm definitely going to share more links about this in the description so you can get up to speed with it. And once you're done with this and you like to make a submission, or probably you just want to hit the join button to join, you can simply go over to the section that says join the contest now and click on go, and this will bring you right here where you can see the rules and regulations and things that you need to keep in mind prior to submission. There are certain judging criteria that you might also want to take a look at, just in case you will want to know what it entails. So for character animation, you're having 40% for animation because it is character animation. For character design, design, there is 50% for character because it is character design, and the list goes all the way down. Meanwhile, you might need to download the contest logo, which you need to incorporate into your video, and this should last at least 3 seconds. And for those who like to post things on social media, you might also need to use the hashtags that have been provided. It's also worth knowing that for anyone that is creating anything, your work in progress is also supposed to be shared on social media, and this is also a very good way for the folks at Relution to follow your progress. And for those who like to submit your final work, you can submit both your final work alongside with your work in progress with the online form. So there's an online form that has been provided where you can list out the tools, put the description, put the title, and also fill it completely depending on what you've made. And this is very beautiful, and of course a huge shout out to the folks at Relution for actually making this one possible. And I do wish that most companies would also find a way of giving back to the community by creating contests which would not only hone their skill but also reward them for some very cool stuff that they have made. So this is more like it, and for those who would like to proceed to take a look at this one, maybe you'd like to join it, I'm gonna put a link in the description that will bring you right here, and you can avail yourself a chance of winning an RTX 3070, a smart globe from the folks at Rococo, or maybe a perpetual license from ZBrush, a Neuton Perception Neuron 3 Pro, a Marvelous Designer license, a Razor Raptor, and so much more. And it's also worth knowing that there is a 3,000, 2,500, 1,500, and also $1,000 that is up for grabs. And not to forget, there are also some very cool prizes, DA points that you can win once you join this contest. So this is more like it. A huge shout out to the folks at Relution for making this one possible. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video or the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.